Going back for more. Quite reached. Put your hand down on the floor. She knew it was coming, and did you see her face?
Yeah.
She's like, I know I'm gonna fall. She's gonna do it again.
Hold on.
Poor baby, she's sliding on the floor.
Get closer, Nora.
Yeah, pull her, roll her pants